Hey YouTube, it is TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be trying Olaplex. For Christmas, I was gifted the Olaplex hair treatment kit. Hair repair treatment kit from my best friend, so thank you, best friend. My hair has been on a roller coaster for the past couple years, and I've been hearing about Olaplex for the longest, so I finally am trying it out. What I've been experiencing though is like breakage, brittleness with my hair, and I wasn't really used to that before. I'll show you a picture of like when my hair was at its height. Like, y'all, the hair was hairing, but when I was in college, I had a dedicated routine. I was deep conditioning my hair every 2 weeks, and now that I've got older, it's become less priority. And I feel like there were some other things thrown in there as well, like breakage from stress I was experiencing and baby diet as well. Like, I wanted to try out their products because they are specifically for repairing hair. Apparently they have this patented ingredient in it that's supposed to help with bond repair and bond building. So we're gonna be trying this out today. I'm super excited. I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of me putting this through my hair. And I'm going to give you my real, like, raw reaction. So I hope you enjoy. Let's go ahead and take this out the pack. I've literally had this since Christmas and it's February. Like, what's going on? So in my treatment, I have number 0, 3, 4, and 5. It also came with a little bit of 6. This was like a free gift from Ulta. If you want to buy Olaplex, I would definitely suggest trying out the treatment kit from Ulta. The price is about the same, but you usually get like a free gift with the Olaplex treatment when purchasing from Ulta, whether it's an Olaplex gift or something else. These aren't like the full size bottles, I don't think, but they're not like travel size either, to where you're only going to use it one time. Like, just for size reference, it's about like the size of my hand. I've done my own research, but that was like a minute ago. I told you I've had this for too long. So let me read number 0 again. It says #1 product in prestige hair care, period. Olaplex started off by being like a salon only item, and then they created like the take home line that they sell in stores. So I'm going to be following this to a T, especially with this being an intensive hair repair. I don't have time to damage it anymore, so we're going by the book. Intensive building used weekly as the first step in a 2-step routine. Through my research, I've seen that they had a few different applications. The one that comes in the hair repair kit comes with a spray bottle, so I think that's good. I was really hoping not to get the one where it's just like the dropper and then you just have to drop it along. I feel like the spray bottle will help distribute it better. I did wash my hair earlier this week to get like all of the product and gel out, but ever since then I haven't been using like gel or anything heavy in my hair, because it says that it works better when it's on washed hair, but you have to use step 0 when your hair is dry. Okay, directions of use. It says apply number 0 to dry hair in small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave on hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Apply generous amount of number 3 hair perfector to saturated hair and then wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. Okay, easy enough. Where does this number 6 come into play? It's so small. Y'all can't even read what that says. Directions: apply to damp or dry hair, mid-length to ends, comb through and style as desired. Avoid contact with the eyes. Duh, not for children under 3 years. First, we're going to start with this number 0. I'm gonna take my little bun out. I've already finger detangled my hair before I got on camera. I didn't want to put you guys through the pain of seeing that, but I already have my hair like sectioned and twist. So we're just gonna go section by section, work this product in and see what it's talking about. All right, we're going to start with the first section live so you guys can see the reaction, and then I'm gonna speed through and then I'm gonna give you my final comments on this. I was just on the phone with my friend Nina, and she said she used this and she could literally like tell the difference like right then and there. Woo, I'm scared. All right, put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes. Cool. I don't know why I'm getting nervous. Oh, it got in my eye. It smells. Ooh. Okay, so immediate reaction. It's not tangling my hair. The smell, not chemicals, but chemicals. Like, it's not too harsh, but it's there. And I mean, fragrance is never just good to put in your hair anyways. So I wasn't expecting it to smell fruity. So it said not saturated. Here's what my hair looks like. No real difference, like just looks. It does feel like it's actually in my hair and not sitting on top of my hair. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave one for 10 minutes. And twist it back up. It's not gonna be a solid twist or anything too crazy. But there we go. You know the thing that I always wanna know? They say do it in 10 minutes and they say do it in sections. But if you do it in sections, your first section has already been sitting for 10 minutes. So I guess that means as soon as I get done, I don't know if you guys peeked, but there was a little bit of running there, but working it in, it's not dripping down the end. So that's how I know it's getting in there. Okay, so number 0 is all in. I don't think I told you guys, but number 0 is the intensive bond building hair treatment. It's all in my hair. When I was applying it, it pretty much felt like water, but a little more. I would say the closest thing to compare it to would be the Jamaican Black Castor Oil water from As I Am. It's not like moisturizing, but it was to an extent. My hair feels, it's not slippery, it doesn't have like a real slip to it, but I can definitely tell that it is coated with something. My hair texture still like seems about the same. It's not sticky. We're gonna go in with number 3 now. Number 3 is the hair perfector. This is supposed to repair and prevent damage. So this is globally the best-selling treatment for your go-to repairing and preventing all styles of damage. Immediately repairs, prevents damage, reduces breakage and split ends, hair looks and feels healthier and stronger. So I went online to take like the test to see what I needed, and it gave me this hair routine. It is prep with number 0, so I did that already. Repair with number 3, and then it says mask with 8. 8 is like their deep conditioner, but this kit only came with 4 and 5. I'm just gonna shampoo and condition with this. You know what I also learned when watching a video though? I learned that you are not supposed to do like 0 through, I think it goes up to 9. You're not supposed to do 0 to 9 in one day. Like that's an overload for sure on your hair. Each of the Olaplex products have some of that patented hair repair formula in it. And the last thing you need is a protein overload or any kind of overload from an intensive hair treatment. Start off with just a drop. And put it in my hair and work it through. I just put on that first section and I feel like it's only up here and not down here. So I'm just going to do that and then go through my ends. I always like to do the praying hand method. Whether my hair is curly or detangled or whatever it is, I love doing the praying hands method because I feel like that is what helps seal the deal. And do the same with the rest of my hair. Number 3 is in all throughout my hair. And let's first talk about the smell. Actually, I didn't notice the smell difference. This smells better, honestly, than the 0, but it's like very, very light. It reminds me of a leave-in, honestly. I say a leave-in. It felt good going onto my hair. Definitely added slip. I would say this added more slip than this, but it's not just like the slippery of slip slopes that you'll ever feel. I can definitely already tell a difference with how my hair like looks just shine-wise. Before it was like very dry, and now it's like darker. When my hair is darker, I know it's more moist, and even just to the touch. My hair was not rejecting this product at all. So far, so good. I'm feeling pretty confident about this Olaplex. So I got this off Amazon, and it's supposed to like catch your hair and your drain. Of course, I've been experiencing shedding, but it's like extreme to where if I don't use a hair catcher or anything, then my shower is going to be clogged, and then my dad's going to be over here trying to help me unclog my shower again. And it did work a little bit, but like it didn't really fit and sit around the actual like the drain thing. It pretty much just sat there, like it didn't really close around it like it's supposed to or like it's advertised to. If you guys have any recommendations for like an actual hair catcher for drains that like come up, then let me know. But we're gonna go ahead and get in the shower, get prepared, and we'll see what the footage is like in a couple seconds. Okay, so we are fresh out the shower, and I wanted to show you guys like immediately right out the shower before my hair started getting dry. But here is the texture of my hair thus far. Immediate thoughts, it's so soft. It's so soft. It feels very reasonably hydrated, even just after conditioner. Usually like conditioner, okay, come on, cause please. As you can see, I didn't use that much product. I used like 3 or 4 dime sizes of the shampoo and like, what, 2 quarter sizes of the conditioner. And that honestly like was enough. I wanna hurry up and put on this number 6, this Bond Smoother leave-in. Take that much. And it said just add it on the ends. Smells good. It smells like a more minty. Okay. I mean, I definitely felt like that did something. I can tell the texture difference. It did add some more slip, but that's all when it comes to actually like applying product. I definitely feel like it's everywhere. Like the product definitely did do something. My hair texture feels great. It's soft, it's smooth. I'm only putting it in a ponytail now just so I can talk to you guys and not just be all in my hair while I'm talking and not be distracted. I like it. I actually am like good with the results. Does my hair feel stronger, repaired? My hair never just felt weak, because like even when my hair was shedding, I would see strands that were like thick and long. So that means they were just shedding from the top of my head. So I feel like it would take me a little time to give you guys like what the actual effect was. Look at my ponytail in the back. Okay, girl. I would buy again, but I don't know the frequency. Like online, it told me to do this. What was my recommended? It gave me a schedule too, child. I was like, So it gave me a damaged hair routine. Day 1 was treatment. Day 2, nothing. 3, exercise, shampoo and condition. I'm not shampooing and conditioning my hair like this all the time. 4, stay hydrated. 5, exercise, shampoo and condition again. Shampoo and condition again on day 7. 8 is Olaplex treatment. So it looks like I'm supposed to do this treatment once every week and shampoo and condition my hair every other day. I don't like that. What I'm gonna do is shampoo and condition my hair next week, and the following week I'll do another treatment, because I already have low porosity hair and it's easy to overload on protein. But like, I definitely enjoyed the wash day process with Olaplex. They did their thing for sure. I think they'll last a long time if you're generous like I was today. I mean, some people's hair is thicker and they need to use more product, but I was able to be very generous. Like even with the zero, it probably started like maybe up here and I used this much of it, and that's like way less than half. I probably used like 1/8 of this today. So I can definitely get through at least like 8 more times doing this. The number 3, probably about the same. There's also a number 8 that's an actual deep condition. I think I'm gonna buy that now since I'm convinced that I actually do enjoy Olaplex. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some lotion on, honey, because my skin feels a little dry. And I'll give you guys a voiceover of what I think about my hair styling wise with the Olaplex products. Hey y'all, if I didn't make it clear before, I really enjoyed my wash day with Olaplex. The moisture balance this line gave me is insane. A lot of people I watched on YouTube said they used it for years and seen results. Even the survey I took on their website recommended a solid routine. Now for my specific hair type, I probably won't wash my hair 2 to 3 times a week like they suggested, but I definitely can see myself washing weekly or even just doing that treatment bi-weekly and getting some nice results from that. The styling portion of this day was pretty nice. I used As I Am natural hair products, but I still feel like I haven't found my perfect curl combo for my hair. But the Olaplex wash day gave me a lot of clumping and shine, which I really love. And these products that I follow with after didn't really help keep that going. So I won't fault Olaplex for that. But Olaplex left my hair feeling very moisturized. So the products that I had to use after didn't have to work so hard in that aspect. Olaplex definitely is an investment though versus your typical natural hair products you'll find at the hair store. I would suggest starting with the hair repair kit before full out buying the large size products. I'll update you guys later down the road on how my hair journey with Olaplex is. Not sure if it'll be a dedicated video or a highlighted in a vlog or something, so make sure you stay updated with my channel. But that's all I got for you guys, curl friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.